Okay, on this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use one of these Twibbons, I think that's what they're called, yeah, Twibbon, for a graduation card or for Father's Day or anything else you might like to use. They've got tons and tons of these, all different topics. So what you do is just find one you like and then say, make a Twibbon. Well, notice this one right here says Class of 2021. I can fix that easily in Silhouette Studio. So let's go to make a Twibbon, and I'm going to choose a photo to upload, and I'm going to upload my little puppy's picture. This is little Roxy, and I can move her around so it fits well. And so there. And so once I have it the way I like it, I'll say next, and it's pretty much finished, so I can download it. And once it's downloaded, I'll come over here to Silhouette, and I have a bunch of them here. Let's get a new page. I'll go to File and Merge, and there's the one I just downloaded. And again, you'll see it says 2021 here. So one of the things that I can do here in the Business Edition is to come up here to the Line tool, and I'm going to use this one that says Draw a Polygon. And I could just go around the 2021, which is what I'm going to do for this quick video, just to show you how easy it is to change this. Once I go the whole way around and go back to the beginning, and I double click, it closes it up and it adds that general blue color. I'm going to come up here to the color swatch instead, get the eyedropper, and click in here so it changes it to the color that I want. I can also change the line color if it's a problem to being transparent. So now I have class of nothing. So I'll just come over to the text tool, click here and type in 2022. And of course I can skinny it down, and I can twirl it a little bit. And if I really wanted to, I could make it fit this curvature. But this is just a quick video to show you how to use this. And so then I probably would change the font by coming over here and maybe change it to, let's see, I gotta click on it first. And then come over here and maybe change it to something like, I don't know, that's condensed. There we go, that's pretty good. Might like to make it a little tiny bit bigger now. Twirl it just a little bit more. And of course I want it to be the same color. Now this color is going to be a little bit off because watch, it's just going to be a really nice sharp color when I go ahead and click this. So that text looks a little sharper than the rest of this does. So you might want to do the whole thing over. And then if you're ready, you can go ahead and go to File and Print. And there it is, just like that. I think it's so adorable. So I'll cancel that. And what I would probably do right now is, because see, I can move this little piece out. So I would probably go ahead, whoops, and grab everything and group it. So then if I move it, I won't lose anything. So that's how easy it is to use the Twibbon tool. Twibbon. And I'll have the link for you down below. So thanks for joining me. Bye.